Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the SANUS Accent AST16-B1 TV tilting wall mount. It holds up to a 30-inch, so 13 to 30-inch TV up to 50 pounds. Pretty cool from the brand SANUS. We did a couple other installs and unboxings and with a heavier duty version of a wall mount and really love it. They offer a 5-year warranty, which is cool. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So first you'll see they have a little quick getting started guide. Talks about, you can watch a video about the installation video, also a height finder that they offer, and you can use their online chat or call 800 number if you run into problems, as well as having a wall plate template. This is really cool. And then they have the instruction manual for getting started, make it stress-free. Here is the mount that goes on the wall, and then you can go ahead and connect it right to the wall like that. Very easy, only 2 bolts. And then here is the part that's going to go on the back of the TV, nice and easy. And if you have a larger TV and require it, they give you 2 extender brackets. Also in the box, we'll find various screw sizes, as well as your lag bolts and the different mounting screws for the different mounting holes that could be on the back of a TV. So that's what's in the box. Very good quality, heavy quality, which is really nice. So looking forward to installing this, which should be relatively easy, not doing it on an uneven surface or anything. So don't have to worry about screwing into concrete or brick. It's going to go right into the studs and we're good to go. So there you go. That's what's in the box of the AST16-B1. You can get it, I got it on sale for a really great deal over at Target, but they have it on Target, Amazon, a bunch of different places. So if you need something that's really just going to be a tilting TV wall mount, this could be a great mount to take a look at. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.